Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Is it possible to make your regular potato fries healthier? Let's find out. And we are making baked and crispy potato kisses. Start by peeling and chopping potatoes. Then boil some water along with some salt and cook chopped potatoes until they become very soft. Now add a splash of olive oil and mash using a fork to make it lump free. Then combine some spices like salt, chili flakes, oregano and black pepper. Fill it in a double piping bag and pipe it on silicone mat as shown. Bake at 180 degrees until crispy and enjoy your baked potato fries. It's hard to believe, but these crispy kachoris are made without deep frying. Let's make whole wheat dry kachori. Start by combining wheat flour, maize flour and semolina along with carom seeds and salt. Add water as required to make a soft dough. To make kachori filling, dry roast all the spices mentioned in caption, then transfer to a mixer jar along with roasted chana, bhujia and soaked raisins. Once you get a coarse mixture, add all the spices along with some oil so that mixture binds just like this. Now make 10 to 12 mini kachoris and cook in paniyaram pan until crispy and golden brown. Your dry kachoris are ready. What if the fried samosa we love during monsoon turns healthier and lighter? For episode 4 of Savory Oven, let's make baked pinwheel samosa without maida. Start by heating some oil, add cumin seeds along with green chilies, stir in all the spices mentioned in caption and fold in mashed potatoes. Let the mixture cool down. For the dough, combine whole wheat flour, carom seeds along with ghee and salt until it looks like breadcrumbs. Now bring everything together using water as required to make a soft dough. Then roll it out, spread samosa filling and cut using a thread for cleaner look. Now bake at 200 degrees until crispy and get ready to dig in. Do you think this low-calorie and gluten-free snack, which is baked, crispy and loaded with seeds, will be a better choice than packaged snacks? So for episode 16 of Savory Oven, we are making healthy chickpea sticks. Start by grinding boiled chickpeas with some water to get a fine paste. Then finally chop some pumpkin seeds and add to chickpea paste along with other seeds and spices mentioned in caption. Now combine lemon juice, corn flour and olive oil. Transfer the mixture to a double piping bag and pipe on silicone mat just as shown. Now bake at 180 degrees until crispy and get ready to dig in. Don't you think it's a good idea to drop packaged snacks? That's why for episode 14 of Savory Oven, we are making crispy beetroot fingers which are baked and healthier. Start by boiling beetroot for 5 minutes. Then in a separate bowl, combine whole wheat flour, rice flour and all the seeds of your choice along with ginger powder, crushed black pepper and salt to taste. Now roughly chop the boiled beetroot and transfer to a mixer jar along with cloves of garlic and coconut oil to get a thick paste. Now bring everything together to make a soft dough. Roll it out and cut into long strips. Now bake and enjoy your beetroot fingers. You will have to drop fried and high-calorie snacks because we are making baked, gluten-free, crispy and way more healthier chana chor garam for episode 9 of Savory Oven. Start by soaking washed black chickpeas for 3 to 4 hours. Now to cook chana, either you can use cooker or boil some water along with salt in a pan and cook for 5 minutes. Now let them air dry for 1 hour. Then hit each chana with a pestle until it's flat just as shown. Then let them dry overnight and bake for just 10 minutes. Make a chart out of it and get ready to dig in. We have been deep frying matri for a long time, so if you are looking for its slightly healthier version, we are making baked moong dal nimki for episode 8 of Savory Oven. Start by washing moong dal 2 to 3 times and soak for at least 1 hour. Then transfer to a mixer jar and grind to make a coarse paste. Now add semolina and all the spices mentioned in caption along with salt, kasuri methi and melted ghee. Then add rice flour and whole wheat flour to make a soft dough. Roll it out and brush ghee and flour mixture. Now cut into equal portions and flatten a bit. Then bake until crispy and enjoy.
तो आप इस रेसिपी को जरूर ट्राई कीजिए एंड इफ यू डू शेयर पिक्चर्स विद मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड टैग बोल्ड बेकिंग नेशन. I'll see you next time. Till then, bake bold and live sweet.